What's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Jiou-Martelli Cooks, where I'm out here cooking. We're at our little getaway here tonight. I'm making some fried chicken and some potato wedges. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to make this shit crispy. Peace. Okay, so I'm gonna be making the marinade for my chicken. Half a tablespoon of soya, tablespoon of ketchup. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna use half a teaspoon of ginger. I would use fresh ginger, but I don't have fresh ginger, so I'm using ginger powder. I'm gonna just mince some fresh garlic and also put that in there as well. Once over, go ahead and toss that in the marinade. I used 2 cloves for this. I got 4 chicken legs here. I find like open Ichiban soup bases, so I'm gonna put that in there too. Mix it all up. Ginger, garlic, soya, ketchup. That's pretty much our marinade right there. Throw it right in there. My vacuum sealer, mix that chicken in there. Kind of what we're going for. Minimum, you want to keep it in marination for 3 hours. I'm gonna leave it overnight. I'm making this ahead of time, so I'm doing it overnight. The more the better, obviously, but kind of 3 hours. You should prep this 3 hours before you actually start frying this stuff. That's how it is. Marinated fried chicken. Now I'm gonna prepare the dredge. It's about a cupful of flour. Next thing I'm gonna add is about a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. I like cornstarch. I find that it gives the chicken the extra crispy skin, crispness. Like, oh, this is cooking. Home cooking. Look at my hand. It went all over my hand. Anyways, that's about a 1/4 cup of that cornstarch in there. I'm gonna add some salt. Not too much, but definitely add salt in there. Some garlic powder. Probably a teaspoon of that. Some chili powder, teaspoon of chili powder. Kind of gives it that nice color when you fry it up, fry that chicken up. Some turmeric powder too, to also give it that nice color and nice flavor. There's nothing worse than bland fried chicken. I don't like that. Some people may like that. Me personally, nah, I ain't with that. Mix it. I'm looking for a certain color here, guys, so I'm gonna add more chili powder. That's exactly what I'm looking for right there. I don't know if the camera will be able to get that, but I don't want to make a mess. So there's our dredge right there. So I'm gonna start on the potato wedges. I got some yellow potatoes here. I'm gonna show you all how to make sure these are cooked properly and they're nice and crispy when they're out of the oven. Quick wash like that. You want to cut it in halves first like this. Just cut that into wedges. Try and cut them as evenly as you can. Next thing you want to do, just toss them in a bowl like this here. There we go. Put it all in a bowl. This is what's going to help crisp up the potato wedges. This is pretty much olive oil, Italian seasoning, and paprika, salt and pepper. That's pretty much it. That's all you need. Not very complicated, but delicious. That's the kind of food I like to cook, by the way. And you just want to mix it up, get your hands in there. I like to use this baking rack just because I find that it crisps up the potatoes better. So just lay these bad boys down facing upwards so the entire potato can get crispy, and that's what we're going for, that crispiness, the texture, the soft inside. These are gonna be delicious. You excited, babe? I'm gonna go ahead and put these inside the oven. My oven's set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Come back. And that's all she wrote. I'm gonna get started on the chicken now. Make sure you coat the chicken evenly. Just pack it in like that, you know, squeeze. And next thing you wanna do, dip it in the water. I know this may seem kind of odd and unconventional, but I've seen a lot of my Korean homies do this. And Koreans, y'all know how to fry chicken, so I believe you. Take that, dip it back into the dredge, pack it in nicely. Let me try that again. So you want to soak it in there. Make sure it's completely submerged and covered with water. I give it a few seconds. Dip it out, put in the dredge, and squeeze. Make sure you get all of that goodness, all that flavoring in that skin. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Okay, now these are ready to fry. See how it's bubbling there? That's how you know the oil is good. You don't want to overcrowd when you're frying chicken. Let it do its thing. Just drop it in there, let it fry up. I'm on medium-high heat, and there we go. If it's getting a little too brown for my liking, just because I don't want the outside to cook and the inside be raw, so I lowered the temp down. This is more ideal. You want it to cook a bit slower. Wait until that browning. This is the first one I put in there when the oil is very hot. It was browning a little too fast, so I put the other drumstick in there, lowered down the temp. So hopefully bring that oil temperature down, and this one's frying a lot better. These are the kind of things that you just learn with trial and error. That's so crispy right there. Look at that. Quick check on my potato wedges. They're looking really nice in there, cooking really nicely. Yum. And guys, thank you for watching my videos. If you really do like my videos, please subscribe. It really helps me out. I've been wanting to do this YouTube thing for a while. It's been a dream of mine, so thank you for the support. Alright, so my chicken's still cooking right now. You'll know when these are done, when they start to float. So this is what I'm talking about. You see how that one's kind of floating? That's a really good indicator that that chicken is done. I'm gonna take it out right now, look at it, kind of feel it with my tongue. Yeah, that's done. And just take it out. Put it with this one. Ooh, look at that. Real nice color on those. That's what we're going for, fried chicken. Hey everyone, this is the final product here. The chicken is really crispy. Can't wait to taste it. These two came out a bit darker than I'd like. These two were the first ones. The oil temp was a little high for my liking, but nonetheless, that is some crispy chicken. And here are the potato wedges. They look really good, crispy, fluffy on the inside. That's a potato wedge right there, so let's dig in.
Say that again.
Okay, we're gonna try the fried chicken now. Here it is, final product.
Nice.
And the potato wedges. We're having it with some rice as well too, because we're Filipino. You can't have fried chicken without rice. I mean, you can, but it's just not the same, you know. So you have this piece, baby love.
It's good.
You tried it?
The potatoes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the potato. Let me try one of the potatoes. So here are potatoes.
These are hot still. Ooh, nice. I'm his biggest critic when it comes to cooked food.
Here we go, first bite. Mmm. Yeah. Not too salty. You can taste the marinade, the soya. Oh man, that's bomb. That's bomb. Listen how crispy it is. Mmm. Look at that.
Let me try.
My tongue's been burned so many times, it doesn't even faze me anymore.
Mmm. It's really good.
Yeah? You can taste the sweetness from the marinade, the soya. I even put one of, you know, the Sapporo Ichiban packs that you leave everywhere? I put one of those in there too, like the other half, to marinate it. It's good, right? So you can see the piece of that from your Ichiban right there. That's fried chicken for you. Thank you for watching another episode. Check me out on my other videos. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. It goes a long way. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Chicken.